What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gat Talks. Today we are going to be taking a first look and a basic review of the Amazfit BIP Lite smartwatch. Now this smartwatch goes for about $60 depending on the website and seller they choose to get it from. I will have my eBay affiliate link in the video description section below. So if you guys do want to support me and my channel, you guys can use my affiliate link. It will take it to eBay, trusted sellers, and I will earn a commission if you do decide to purchase this watch using my link at no extra cost to you. Now, before we begin today, if you guys have not yet already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, as it will help me out quite a bit with the YouTube algorithm, and I will be making regular reviews on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches, so you guys do not want to miss out on that. And if you guys do want to comment below on the specific gadgets or items that you guys want me to review, do leave me a comment below and I will try my best to get my hands on them and give you guys a review. Now let's begin. So this smartwatch goes for about $60. It's a little more of a basic smartwatch and economic smartwatch comparing to others under the same brand and even in the same price. So this watch has a few basic features. It does have a very long battery life. It does claim to have a 45-day battery life, which I am not surprised of because the functions are pretty basic. So it could most likely last that long. It also does have a heart rate monitor and a sleep monitor, an always on screen, as you can see. So that is still pretty impressive, being a 45-day battery life like it claims with a always on screen. It must be a very efficient battery, so that is still impressive. It has 3 ATM, water resistant, so not that deep, but it does have some water exposure resistant, multi-sport tracker, and it also comes in a few colors. This is one of them, the black one, very standard. Now let's take a look at how this watch feels. So this watch feels like a very basic watch. And honestly, I think it's a little more expensive for its look, just based on its look. But let's see how easy it is to use the features and how quality the features are. So this is the screen. One thing I do want to mention that I did not like right off the bat, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be a one-time deal, is that when you first start the watch up new, it is going to have you install the app. The app itself is called Zepp, Z-E-P-P. I will also have that app name below. It's no longer the Amazfit app, to my understanding, but Zepp is the app to download for at least the 3 Amazfit watch that I have tested out already, which includes the GTR, the T-Rex, now this the BIP Lite. So it would connect to all 3 of them using the same app, and in the app itself, it would have quite a bit of features that's tailored to your watch, such as switching the watch face. So you can immediately switch the watch face from the watch itself. You do actually have to sync the watch face from the app to your watch. So that is one con, and it does take about 15 minutes to install when you first turn on your watch when it's brand new. Now let's go through the watch itself. It is a touchscreen, so that's nice for something that looks like a very basic watch. So this watch face could be changed on the app, of course. Now, this would be, if you go into status, that will give you your pedometer, which will give you your steps, your heart rate, your distance traveled, calories burnt, And that looks like your sedentary sessions over 1 hour. Now let's get out of this. Your activity. So if you want to adjust your fitness readings to whatever activity that you are going to be doing, you would choose your activity. So it does come with quite a few types of activities, but not enough. It's very basic. It doesn't have the actual like sports like basketball, soccer, just more activities other than running, walking, and treadmill. So it could be more in that sense. That's a little bit lacking in that sense. It does have your weather, which would be connected to your app. Let's see what else is there. Your Alipay. If you guys do use Alipay, this would be helpful. This is nice to have a payment option on the watch itself. That is a little bit of an extra function to watches about this price, to have a payment option. So if you, I believe, so going back to the default watch screen, that was basically all the options on the right. You have your alarm, timer, compass. Follow the pattern to calibrate. Okay. Okay. So I guess it's going to take some time to load. We're not going to do a full weight on the compass, but it is there, so that is nice. Your settings, watch face. I think that was the original watch face. I think it was actually so correction on only being able to switch the watch faces on the app itself. It does look like it has another option here, but I do find switching the watch face through the app to be a lot easier than to going through this little screen here. You do have your other standard functions on your settings, including a reset. Now let's see what's on the other side of the default watch face. You have your Alipay, which was already there, weather, so it seems like just a rotation back. I believe this is your screen function. When wearing the watch, turn on DND mode to automatically after you fell asleep. Okay. So I believe this is like a smart screen for when it's not active. That's what I believe. Now these are your new notifications. So it could be maybe incoming call or messages. So that's pretty much it for this watch. In terms of the price, I believe there's going to be watches with more functions for the price that this watch has to offer, but it does feel more quality that this watch has comparing to other smartwatches, generic smartwatches that has the same amount of features and capabilities. This one tops it. I believe if you actually want a smartwatch with almost the same types of capabilities and features as this watch, it'll cost about maybe $25 to $30, but it won't feel as nice. That's one thing. The packaging, the quality, and just the feel of it. The app itself as well, it's pretty smooth. It doesn't seem like there's bugs on the watch and the app itself, so everything seems smooth to use, as opposed to some of the cheaper smartwatches with the same or similar functions. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please smash that like button, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.